Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up TurboTrader on Webull. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Webull desktop platform and show how to add the TurboTrader widget so you can place fast futures or options orders from a clean, focused workspace. If you plan to trade options or futures, make sure your account is approved for those products, and remember that active trading involves risk. Start by opening the Webull desktop app. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and data. Everything we'll do happens inside a customizable layout, so you're in control of how the tools appear. On the left-hand sidebar, click Custom. This section lets you build a workspace that matches your style. Choosing Custom keeps things tidy and prevents the TurboTrader panel from competing with other panels you might already have open. Next, pick the blank account layout. Blank means you're starting from an empty canvas, which makes it easier to place TurboTrader exactly where you want it. You won't delete anything in your other layouts, you're simply creating a fresh view. Look to the top right corner of the workspace and click Add Widget. This opens the widget catalog. Think of it as a toolbox where you can assemble charts, quotes, and trade panels. From the catalog, click Trade. That filters the tools to the order entry widgets. This is where TurboTrader lives. Now select TurboTrader, choose futures or options based on what you intend to trade. TurboTrader provides streamlined order entry, hotkey support, and quick size selection so you can act faster. If you focus on futures, pick the futures version. If you primarily trade options, choose the options version. Once selected, the widget will drop into your workspace. You can drag to reposition or resize it so it's front and center. With the TurboTrader widget in place, you can now trade. Before sending any orders, double-check the account selector, the symbol, and your order type. Market or limit, along with quantity and time in force. Consider setting default sizes that fit your risk plan and review hotkey settings to avoid accidental submits. When you're ready, use the TurboTrader panel to stage or transmit orders and monitor confirmations in your activity or notifications area. That's it. Your TurboTrader setup on Webull is complete. Keep this clean custom layout for fast execution and switch back to other layouts whenever you need deeper analysis. Thanks for watching, and trade safely.